So here is the phone. There's the red wire and the black wire. The batteries with these silver prongs. I've never seen anything like this before. And there's no place in this area to attach batteries to.
So this is the phone. I would say it works really good. We've been having it for a couple of weeks already. Nothing has been wrong with it. Doesn't do everything, but it's a simple, perfect one that you could get real quick. Shipping came in free. Connection real quick to put on the Wi-Fi cords. Great for just a quick product.